بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها.
Surah Al-Zilzal. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. When the earth is shaken the way it will be shaken, and the earth casts out all its burdens, and man shall say, "What is the matter with her?" On that day she will narrate all her story, because your Lord would have asked her.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره.
On that day, people will emerge separately so that their deeds can be shown to them. Then whoever has done the smallest bit of good shall also see it, and whoever has done the smallest bit of evil shall also see it.